Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a beautiful pair of his and hers watches just in time for Valentine's Day. These are two Rolex Datejusts. This one is the 36mm or the traditional men's size, and this one is the 26mm or the traditional ladies size. This is a really classic combination. This is the 18 karat yellow gold and stainless steel Jubilee bracelet with an 18 karat yellow gold fluted bezel and a champagne dial with stick hour markers. I think this is the most classic looking Rolex you can get, and so if you are two people, a couple, who are looking for a pair of really classic watches that dress up and dress down for almost every single occasion, that you can wear every single day and are just completely the definition of timeless, you really can't go wrong with a pair of Rolex champagne two-tone stick marker watches. So if you are looking for, again, really classic watches, really great looking watches, and of course these don't look, outdated or anything, they are truly the epitome of timelessness, because what is more timeless than a Rolex Datejust, especially a beautiful two-tone one? So if you are looking for a pair of his and hers watches, we have a ton of this exact match as well as a bunch of others if you're looking for different dial colors, different stick marker variations, or any other piece that you can change and mix up and match. You'll definitely find it at SwissWatchExpo.com.